Here at this facility, we operate a transfer station, inert landfill, as well as a closed landfill.
We provide services residential, which is a polycot that we serve about 6,870 customers per week. We also offer leaf and limb services, and we also offer commercial dumpsters. And now we have a service that we just started offering roll-off containers, which that is something that you can do demolition, construction sites, etc.
Our drivers now, when they go out on Mondays, they actually flag all of our furniture and yard waste piles. And our yard waste division comes in on Tuesday morning. They go by the computer readout, and it makes us a lot more efficient.
We also got into CNG trucks, which is natural gas operated. This should save us about 17 grand a year. And this will kind of keep our price low and help serve y'all better.
We manage, service, and keep everything going for 500 pieces of equipment, ranging from fire trucks to excavators, police cars. It's done with ASST, EVT certified mechanics. Nothing too large or small. We do it all here in shop. Like I said, all our mechanics are on call 24/7. Keep Statesboro rolling. It's every day. You never know what's going to happen. You never know what's going to come through the door. We got the guys here to do it right, on hand in the shop.
My crew and I, we mainly maintain the ditches throughout the city of Statesboro, clean them out. We install driveway pipes throughout the city to stabilize the ditches, keep from having erosion throughout the city. We do block work all over the city. We just maintain all your big ditches, small ditches in general, and control erosion.
There's so many potholes. We do our very best effort to safe them up and secure them as well as shoulder work. Like I said, utility cuts, gas cuts. Anytime there's a main break or anything, we have to come in and fix that, albeit in the middle of the night or whenever it is. It's just so much different things that people don't see, pothole-wise, or manhole covers, that are protruding or lower that need to be filled in.
We take care of 38 different areas in Statesboro, approximately 50 to 60 acres. Take care of 40-acre cemetery and various parks downtown, mile-long walking trail, and various parks around the city.
The division's mowing crews maintain over 120 miles of city streets and 20-mile state routes inside the city limits. There are 14 street grass mowing zones, 6 tractor roadside mowing zones, 6 tractor ditch mowing routes, and over 15 miles of maintained drainage ways.
During the growing season, all of these properties, you have to mow on a weekly basis. The grass grows pretty quickly here in summertime. Wintertime's not quite as bad, but then you have to deal with leaves, so it's a full-time job.
Traffic engineering, which includes traffic signal timing, also includes evaluating the signage and pavement markings for the city, and also setting speed limits, designing traffic signals, also design roadway projects.
Basically, design sidewalks, intersections, any kind of improvements. Also do traffic studies.
Any type of drainage type work or stormwater type work, I generally handle that out of the engineering department. Still do site inspections, oversee any of the construction on commercial development and high-density residential, work with their engineers, their contractors, their developers, to get through all of the city's ordinances and policies and processes and really take them from initial project conception all the way through to certificate of occupancy issuance.
The building official is for the safety of the public. I enforce all the building codes, anywhere from a footing to where you put your roof on your house, to pretty much your electrical, your plumbing. Everybody has to go through a certain code, and I'm here to enforce that code and make sure they do it at that certain minimum standard.
We handle all calls that come in, from potholes to drainage to traffic lights to deceased animals. People call about delivery of a cart, roll-off, a dumpster for businesses and residential. I love the people that I work with. They make my job easy. We depend on each other. We're a team. We're like family. I like making a difference. When somebody can call in and have a complaint, that I can take care of their needs.
The good thing about Our Public Works and Engineering Department is, our personnel are essentially the unsung heroes of the city. Rain, sleet, snow, hot, cold, they're out there, they're doing it, they're getting it done. We're here to make sure the roadways are passable and safe for the traveling public. We have dedicated employees that love the job, they love what they do, they just enjoy the quality of life that we have here in the city and help making a contribution to maintain that quality of life.